guys, welcome back to Miss Shea's Kitchen. Today we're making beef stew, sadza, whole wheat sadza, and some vegetables. Yo guys, I love brown sadza. It's just amazing, high fiber sadza. I think that's the correct way to call it. So we'll start by frying our beef because our stew is very simple. It's very easy and simple to make. And then after that, we're going to use a beef cube. I love chili, so I use chili beef cubes. Most of my spices are actually chili spices, actually, now that I've thought of it. So I'm just going to pour my water. So pour me water. Hey, holy water. Yes, guys, as simple as that. We're just going to allow our meat to boil as we now take out the multigrain rolling meal, high fiber maize, wheat, and sorghum. Hey, I being healthy. So we're just going to I put like a cup. That's the proper measurement if you put everything together. But I'm only making sadza for 2, remember? So I don't want it to be a lot. And I don't like leaving. So we start with our cold water, then our hot water. I don't like leaving food. So once we eat, the pots have to be washed before we sleep. So I'm just going to mix up and allow it to boil. Kukwata, yes. And then after that, I close, and then I add onions and green pepper to my beef. Then add our paprika, not so much, but just a little of it. And the moment you put that onion and green pepper, you hear that the smell has automatically changed. And then we're going to put our thickener. So you can use any thickening sauce, be it Royco, be it Norox, be it anything that you know that thickens your food so that we don't get watery soup. Then after this, we're just going to close and allow the spices to cook. Our sadza or our pap or our ugali, we allowed it to boil for almost 20 minutes because this maize meal needs to be done, like it needs to be ready. Is it maize meal? No, with sorghum meal. Maize meal. Anyways, so now trukurimona, oh, I don't know what to say in English. I kumona, guys. And then we make sure it no longer has pimples or the little bumps that it gets. And yeah, we allow it to simmer. You close it up and allow it to simmer. I allowed mine to simmer at a very low temperature for about 10 minutes. So this pot also keeps heat. So when I saw that it's about to burn, I switched it off and then just closed. So we're frying our onion, our tomato. I put too much onion and tomato when I was making those vegetables. But the taste was nice, but don't make the same mistakes I did. I underestimated. I thought I'm cooking for 4. And then as I was putting the vegetables, I remembered, it's a meal for 2. So that's quite a lot. And I had to reduce the amount of vegetables. But it's a very simple thing to do. After my pap simmers, it's ready to be served, you guys. It's very simple, a very simple meal, guys. I promise you, very simple, yet very easy to make. And healthy as well. Then, yeah, this is me saving. I used the same spoon. Better forgive me, guys. Forgive me. Your girl used the same spoon. I was like, it's going in the same stomach. But anyways, this is our beautiful meal. It's done. Please do try it at home and tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I cleaned my plate, guys. It was amazing.